I'm going to be showing you how you can back up the information from your iDevice using iTunes. If you do not have iTunes installed, just look in the video description for the link to download iTunes. If you're running a Mac computer, then iTunes is already installed on your Mac computer. What you need to do next is you need to open up iTunes, and then once your iTunes is opened up, connect the USB cable to your computer, and then connect either the 30-pin connector or the lightning cable to your device you are using. Then for me, it's not going to be coming up saying that my device is connected because I already connected it to iTunes. Then next to the music icon right here, you will be having this iPhone icon. Click that, and then it's going to be showing you the summary for your iDevice that you are connected to. You see, I'm going to be showing you all the settings you need to click on to get the backup settings. Now you see I am running an iPhone 12 mini. If you want to update your iDevice from the iOS version, I am running iOS 14.1. A newer version of this iPhone software is available, version 15.0.0. To update your iPhone with the latest software, click update and then click this update button to update your iDevice to the newest version. If you want to reset your iPhone, just click restore, then it's going to be restoring your iPhone to factory settings. Now I'm going to be showing you the settings for the backup. You have automatically backup to iCloud. I recommend that you do not click iCloud because it's gonna get full super fast because you have a bunch of gigabytes of storage and files on your iPhone or your iDevice, and the iCloud is gonna get filled up super fast, and then when you wanna send some files or photos to iCloud, it will not let you. It will bring a warning saying that iCloud is too full. So I recommend you do not install the backup into iCloud. Now the one you want to click on is this computer. A full backup of your iPhone will be stored on this computer. This means that your files are going to be saved onto the local desktop computer you are using. Then you have encrypt local backup assist. This will allow account, password, health, and HomeKit data to be backed up as well. You can do this if you want, but I do not recommend you do this because you do not need it unless you have this where it says this will allow account, password, health, and HomeKit data to be backed up. If you have health and HomeKit data, then I recommend you click encrypt local backup as well. Then right here it says last latest backup. Your iPhone has never been backed up to this computer. Now I'm going to be showing you the backup your iPhone or iDevice you want to click on. It says manually backup and restore. Manually backup your iPhone to this computer or restore a backup stored on this computer. If you want to backup your iDevice, click on backup now. But if you have a backup, then click restore backup. This will restore your settings if in case you get a new iPhone or iDevice and then you want to restore the settings, and you'll have everything you had on your previous device is gonna get on your new device. So click on backup now. Then it's gonna be backing up the settings. You see it says backing up next iPhone. Then it's gonna be backing up all the settings on your iPhone. This might take a while depending on how much storage you have and how much is gonna be backing up on your computer. Now the backup is done because there's no progress bar at the top saying backup, and the progress bar is not showing up anymore. Now you also know the backup is done because it says latest backup today 5:11 p.m. to this computer. So that's how you know that the backup is backed up on your computer. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones on how to back up your iOS device using iTunes. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones.